From Oklahoma to Pensacola, it's about a 9 to 10 hour drive. Pensacola felt like a perfect pit stop, a place to stretch our legs, rest from the road, and catch our first glimpse of the ocean. We booked one night at the Fairfield, just something affordable and comfortable. But honestly, it surprised us. The hotel was beautiful, budget-friendly, and came with breakfast, which is always a win. And then there was this pool, complete with a lazy river. It was a chilly day. It was around high 50s, so there was no swimming for us this time. But even better, a private entrance straight to the beach. We woke up to the most peaceful sunrise, the ocean right outside of our window. Even on the road, we tried to keep a little consistency. Morning workout, breakfast, and then it was time to explore the beach with the children. The air was cold, the water even colder, but that didn't stop our boys from running straight in. Thank goodness for the hotel's laundry room. While the clothes dried, we took a quick 5-minute drive, or it's only a 15-minute walk to Pensacola's boardwalk. Right on the beach was a sweet little playground that our children enjoyed. And just next door to that, a small, intimate botanical garden. By noon, it was time to check out. Pensacola turned out to be the perfect welcome into Florida. Beautiful, simple, and budget-friendly. And just like that, we were back on the road for another 7 to 8 hours. Orlando, here we come.